Why did this recent probate listing catch my eye? But why did I strongly suspect that this was probably dead on arrival? Let's find out in today's episode of Real Estate Forensics. As you can see, this home is in Arosa, California. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,080 square feet. The asking price is $280,000. Now, this home, from what I could see, is a probate listing that usually involves a motivated seller. Now, what does the house itself look like? Well, it's just an older home. It's a 1970s built home that looks like it's had better days. Obviously, this is a rehab that we're going to have to do, but it doesn't look like it's major work at first sight. So the pictures tell us that it's something that might be doable, and it might be something that might be worth our time. Is it that way? Well, let's find out. Before we go into the numbers, I want to show you this home. This is within walking distance. It's got similar numbers. This is a 3-bed, 1-bath, similar square footage. And look what it sold for maybe 8 months ago, $265,000. So that automatically is a big red warning. Now, what do the numbers tell us? If we go into our forensic analyzer, I already put in the information. I came up with a rehab estimate of $32,000, which is approximate what it's going to need, especially considering that this doesn't have a central AC. It uses a swamp cooler. So it's a pretty conservative estimate. Our offer is $280,000. Here, all the numbers are input, but what does our analyzer say? We could probably have an idea what it's going to say, right? Well, it's a no. It's a huge no. Why? Seller ask is $280,000. We saw a comp right now that's sold for way less than that in a better condition. Capital trapped would be huge. What would be our target for this? Our actual realistic target is about $147,000 to $164,000 walk away. At this price, $280,000, we're talking about $116,000 too high. The math does not work. The verdict is that this would be a bad deal for us. And it's a quick no. So what's our lesson for today? What did we learn today? We learned that probates don't always mean fire sale price. A court appraisal and heir with a lot of optimism can price a home like if it's already fixed up. Also, most important thing, the survival price kills any deal faster than any photo. So obviously, this is a quick kill. It's a pass. And this concludes our quick forensic analysis of this property.